Bonuses, bonuses, and yeah, more bonuses. First off, if you want your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. It's an awesome program that offers a personal mentor and detailed plan for success. Now, before I get to the review, here are my bonuses. You get these completely free when you get the product through the second link in the description. Bonus number one, you're going to get 12 free tools to put your digital marketing business on autopilot. You're going to discover how to save countless hours and skyrocket productivity with these 12 handpicked digital marketing tools for automation. You're going to streamline your social media. You're going to get content creation, email marketing, analytics, and much, much more. You'll get access to these digital experts' favorite automation tools when you use my link in the description. Now, bonus number two, you're going to get free traffic strategies for 2024, step by step training videos ready to unleash the power of organic traffic. Get instant access to our comprehensive video library and discover game changing strategies for boosting your website visibility and conversions in 2024 when you buy through the link in the description. Last but not least, bonus number three, my guide to scale your TikTok to $100 days. Discover the underground techniques TikTok creators use to rapidly scale their accounts and monetize. This step by step training reveals insider strategies to explode your views, followers, and engagement. Implement our proven blueprint to consistently drive over $100 a day to TikTok with smart content strategies and conversion tactics. No experience required. Our system works for anyone willing to take action. You're going to have to join these top earners on TikTok and do it today. Be sure to click the link, the second link in the description below to get these bonuses. Now, on to the review. Thanks.
Do you want to grow your email list faster and easier than ever before? Do you want to collect leads from social platforms Apple and Amazon users with a touch or click? Do you want to get verified emails and sync them to your autoresponder automatically? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you need Leadono. Building an email list is the most important business asset that you need to succeed online. But it is also extremely hard if you do it in the old way. You have to deal with low opt-in rates, fake or mistyped emails, and complicated opt-in forms that turn away your visitors. Not to mention the hassle of integrating your landing pages with your autoresponder and tracking your conversions. That's why we created Leadono, a groundbreaking tech with smart Odoo technology that finally allows you to effortlessly capture verified emails with just a touch or click and grow your list virally on autopilot. Leadono natively supports a large number of autoresponders with direct integrations, as well as Zapier to integrate with almost any autoresponder you want. Plus, it has a built-in and incentivized referral traffic system that helps you spread the word and get more leads. With Leadono, you can easily capture people's emails from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon with a touch or click. No more typing, no more fake emails, no more low conversion. Just verified emails from real users who are interested in your offer. And the best part is, you can sync these emails to your autoresponder account automatically and start sending them your campaigns right away. Leadono also allows you to use great-looking landing pages, special links for subscribing right inside social platforms, or embed lead capture buttons directly on your website or blog. You can also customize your landing pages and buttons with your own logo, colors, and text. And you can track your results with detailed analytics and reports. So what are you waiting for? Get Leadono today and start growing your email list like never before. Leadono is currently available for a special one-time price, but this offer won't last long. So hurry up and grab your copy now before the price goes up. And as a bonus, you will also get the agency license that allows you to use Leadono for your clients and charge them for your services. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss this opportunity. Click the button below and get Leadono now.